What's up, you guys? Boris here, and today's financial talk is about how to leverage your tax dollars, how to place money into a tax-deferred retirement account, and then borrowing funds from that same account to fund your down payment on your next home purchase. All right, you guys, we're going to be conducting the case study in which we intend to purchase a $300,000 home, and we're going to be funding that with a 10% down payment, plus we're going to be paying for our closing costs, which is approximately 3% of the purchase price. So we need about $39,000 cash to close. And we're going to be saving through a 401k tax deferred retirement account. Okay? So before we jump into the logistics of the case study, we need to understand our tax brackets and how 401ks are funded. So just to make sure everyone's on a level playing ground, we need to understand how tax brackets are calculated. Here's our tax brackets. And let's say, for instance, you're married filing jointly. So you would be paying, let's say, for instance, you're within a 24% tax bracket. Here's a 24% bracket, and you aren't paying 24% for the entirety of your income. The way it works is for every dollar with upwards of $19,750, you're paying 10%. For every dollar in excess of $19,750, you're then paying 12%, upwards of $80,250. In excess of $80,250, for every dollar in excess of $80,250, you're then paying 22%. You aren't paying 24% for the entirety of your income, but for every dollar that falls within that bracket, you're paying percentages on that amount. All right, and nextly, we'll go over how 401ks are funded. You're maxed out at $19,250 per year. That's your maximum contribution that can be tax deferred. For anyone in excess of 50 years old, you could do a catch-up contribution upwards of $6,000. I'm sorry, currently $6,500. And for those individuals that have an employer match, the maximum contribution is even more powerful at $57,000. And if you're above 50 years of age, the maximum is $63,500. All right, you guys, let's jump back to our case study. Now we're saving the down payment for our purchase through our retirement account. We stated previously that we could only borrow upwards of 50% of the value of our retirement account. So we need to save up $78,000 to then borrow 50%, which is the sufficient cash to close. All right. So in order to save, let's say we're maxing out our contributions. We're depositing $19,500 per year into our 401k. That's equivalent to $1,500 monthly, $750 biweekly, or $375 weekly. In order to save up those $78,000, it would have taken us 41 months, 3.5 years. All right. Now, after those same 41 months, we're saving a lot of money in tax dollars. We're saving $4,680 per year in tax savings. Over the same 41 months, that's a total of $15,750 in tax savings over those same 41 months, equivalent to $5,500 per year in tax savings. Now, that's really powerful because not only are we saving tax money, but we're also earning interest. If you put your money into a 401k, you could then choose your investment strategy. Let's say you're matching the S&P and you're earning 10% per year, which is very probable. If you're earning 10% per year, just the interest you've earned on your tax savings alone is $878 per year. Over the same 41 months, you earned $4,680 in interest. So you're saving taxes and you're earning interest on those same tax dollars. So over 41 months, we've saved up a net worth of $78,000. Now let's do a comparison to that of just putting in the same $19,500 per year. Let's do a comparison. We put that same amount of money into a regular simple savings account. $19,500 per year or $375 per week. That's the same amount of money. You're putting that into a savings account after taxes, post-tax money. So now we're being taxed by Uncle Sam. We're being taxed at $90 per week, which is 24%. So in essence, we're only depositing $280 per week into our savings account. So after the same 41 months, we would have had only $46,000 in our savings account, as opposed to the same exact contributions, we have $78,000 per month. That's a huge difference in net worth. Now you can borrow the money from your retirement account, $39,000, to fund the down payment of your purchase, or you could withdraw the money from here. That's a stark difference between your net worth. The difference between having invested into a 401k, which is a $78,000 in net worth, as opposed to just putting it into a simple savings account, which is $46,740, is a difference of $31,200 $31,260 in net worth. You would have had an additional $31,260 in net worth by contributing your monies into a 401k and building a tax-deferred net worth. And then you further leverage your net worth by investing those tax savings into real estate and further appreciate your net worth. So this is really powerful. This is how you can fund the purchase of your home by using tax-deferred dollars. Basically, the money you would have paid in taxes otherwise, you're then using those same monies to fund your down payment on your house, and by also growing your net worth exponentially faster. Thanks you guys for listening. This is a really powerful topic, and I hope you guys give this serious consideration.